Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will suggest a way where you can earn money for just browsing through the websites. Yes, it is possible. I will share my screen and I will show you how it is actually possible. So the way is user testing. So every website or every product in its initial days needs someone to test their product and give their opinion. Then they will pay some money to the users who participated in that. But what if there is a platform which can allow users to register voluntarily and test their products so that they can earn money? Yes, I'm going to share one such platform where you can get literally up to $10 for every 10 minutes that you spent on testing that website. Let me share my screen and show you how it actually works. So this is a website called usertesting.com. So you can also find the link in the description if you fail to find it. So this is the home page. So click on the menu, you will see get paid to test option here. If you click this, you will be redirected to a page where it asks you to enter your email address initially. So once you submitted your email address, then you can see how it actually works. First of all, you need to submit your email, and once after you submit that email, it asks you to take a practice test. So the test, in the sense, it will ask you to browse through the website and find out some elements like click about section in a company page or click careers page in this particular website. So it will ask you to do basic tasks. So it is just to verify that you are a human and you know basic awareness about browsing through websites. And once after your screening tests are good and successful, then ultimately it will send you a mail that you are eligible for it. So after that, you will get many clients. So it will show you many clients in this website, and once after you complete each and every test, you will earn some money. So it is how you can actually make money using user testing. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and if you want someone else to benefit from it, please share this video in your network. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.